I can't believe the United States is going to finally stop making gasoline vehicles. With California leading the way, Governor Gavin Newsom has already signed an order to stop making gasoline vehicles by the year 2035. You heard right, just 15 years away, with record high rolling blackouts in California. And somehow they plan to do this, adding an extra 25% power strain on the electric infrastructure. I mean, what are they thinking? How are they going to add that much to the electric grid? Really? Not to mention all the other issues. Yes, I agree, it totally helps out with climate change, but there's some legality issues here. They can't just go around doing whatever they want. I know California is really used to that sort of thing, but the Trump administration has stepped in and rolled back some of their previous emissions deals that they have with all the rules and regulations, more like deregulations with Trump. Now, I'm not saying this is a bad thing, but what do they think about these batteries and the lithium mining that's taking place and how hard that is on the environment? They are blaming the power outages on gas plants being down, losing one, on top of other issues such as a wind shortage. I mean, is this what you're really going to plan on? You have to think of everything. But the California governor also stated they would need approval from the federal government and possibly a waiver from the EPA. Andrew Wheeler, the chief of the EPA, Environmental Protection Agency, actually made this claim. They couldn't even keep their lights on. They probably would need a great big wheel, a hamster wheel to be exact, to actually get some electricity. Now, there has been statements said about Wheeler claiming that he was a coal lobbyist and he was connected with big oil companies. They really shouldn't have him in that position. However, that's not me. You'll have to decide that for yourself. As far as the gasoline engine ban, unfortunately, there is some good news to this for these combustion engine lovers like myself. I will say that yes, I'm all about helping the environment and I hope it all works out. You know, we need to do what we can. They did say for the current vehicles in California, you were perfectly fine. They were just meaning the manufacturing and sales, you will have a zero tolerance. That means zero emissions are allowed for the new vehicles. Guys, please weigh in with your thoughts. What do you think about this? The chief of the EPA also says that the plan raises serious legality and practicality issues. Plus, the influx of electric cars would overwhelm California's electric grid. Well guys, I want to thank you for watching Nate's Interactive Auto.